See if you guys can figure out what's going on with this car. See if you can guess what caused the damage. New headlight. Needs a new grille, new bumper. The bumper outside was all screwed up. The aftermarket bumper they wanted on here won't let primer go on it. It wants a crack. I don't know if it showed up in the video or not, but it just shrinks right up. Something wrong with it. They had other complaints on them before too. So they're sending another one. We'll see what happens. Here's the next job, quarter panel. Quarter panel on that car out there. New fire brick for the stove.